I'm Kristin Slaker, and I'm making plans for takeoff before planes even land. How does the ground game put planes in the air faster? Think about it. The next flight starts before the plane even lands. The plane uses our Wi-Fi to send data on any new parts it needs. And as it's coming in, the key is knowing everything at once, because even the small things can become big things. You've got passengers, gates, fuel, parts, other planes, weather in other cities, a crying baby, catering, a jetway that's not ready, all conspiring to create flight delays. Enter Honeywell software. Software, sensors, data, Wi-Fi that stays connected at all times, all combining and coordinating and constantly analyzing to find fuel, save fuel, clear runways, detect bad weather, and avoid turbulence to plan clear routes. And it all comes together right here. So what does that all mean? The faster all the parts move, the faster the airport moves. And that's how you make plans for takeoff before planes even land. I'm Kristin Slaker. We make a lot of incredible things at Honeywell. Mostly, we make the future.